New figures show that 20% of adults in the UK have either type 2 diabetes or pre-diabetes. The charity Diabetes UK is warning the government that urgent action, better diabetic care, is needed to tackle what's described as a hidden crisis. Our health correspondent Sophie Hutchinson has more.
Every year the numbers are rising. It's now thought that 12 million people are living with diabetes or pre-diabetes in the UK. Experts are warning it's the fastest growing health crisis of our time. The latest UK figures for 2023-24 show 4.6 million people had a diagnosis of diabetes. An estimated 6.3 million people had non-diabetic hyperglycemia, a pre-diabetic condition, and a further 1.3 million people are thought to be undiagnosed.
What's my glucose?
OK, viewing. You're 5.9 and steady.
Type 2 diabetes causes high blood sugar levels and can lead to serious damage to blood vessels, nerves and organs if left untreated. Each year it causes tens of thousands of heart attacks and strokes.
If we don't take action, we're going to have a nation that is really sick. We know that it's impacting the number of people that are work at the moment, the number of people with diabetes who are off work because of ill health. We're seeing the growth in the number of people under the age of 40 with type 2. We've got 2 paediatric clinics who look after children and young people with type 1 diabetes, now saying for the first time they're seeing more children and young people with type 2 than type 1. That is really serious and is building up huge heartache for the individuals involved, but huge cost for us and for the NHS.
Diabetes UK has written to the Prime Minister and the Health Secretary calling for urgent action to make the food environment healthier and to improve diabetic care. The government says it's introducing restrictions on junk food advertising on TV and online later this year, which aim to tackle diabetes, and that it's also developing a digital health check for people to understand their risk of getting the disease. Sophie Hutchinson, BBC News.